Hello people, this is Dr. Amarja Patwardhan. Welcome to another segment of the Indian medicine Ayurveda. It's autumn, apples are here, so why not see Ayurveda's take on apple juice? Juice, cause we are currently focusing on the water element. Apple as a fruit will be discussed on later. Ayurveda has specifically mentioned the uses and qualities of apple juice and apples separately. So let's see. The taste will be that of apples, obviously. So its primary taste is sweet and secondary taste is sour. The juice is sweet to taste and it also produces sweet juice in avasthapak, that is one of the stages of digestion. The qualities are it's heavy to digest cause it's a juice which has the qualities of apples in concentrated form. It's cold in potency and develops taste for food. All these qualities being similar to kapha dosh, it helps in production of kapha dosh and shukra dhatu. Shukra dhatu is the last dhatu which I had described in my first or second video probably, so you can go back to that video to know more about shukra dhatu. Kapha dosh and shukra dhatu have one common function, and that's nourishment of all the dhatus present in our body. This particular function is called bruhan. You won't get fatty if you eat apples because it also takes care of vata dosh by decreasing it. In obesity, kapha dosh gets paired with vata dosh, but apples hamper vata dosh and they also decrease pitta dosh. All these qualities are responsible for the nourishment of our body. Apple juice can be of great help in loose motion by combining it with honey and consuming it in lesser quantities. In debilitated people, because it relieves weakness, and it's of great help to these people in summer. Because in summer, the body automatically gets debilitated because of the heat that is produced by the sun. For normal people or the healthy people, apple juice is of great help because it takes care of all the dhatus of our body. The cold quality of apple juice can be taken care of by adding honey or cinnamon to it. So if you have cold and cough, then avoid using apple juice, or at least drink it by adding honey and cinnamon to it. Ayurveda has described Sharad Rutu, that is autumn, from September to November month, in which Pitta dosh increases tremendously. In this season, it is recommended to avoid liquid diet to keep Pitta dosh in control. So apple juice can be of great help in summer, while right now you can eat whole apples. We saw just now that apples reduce Pitta dosh. So currently this Sharad Rutu is going on, and see the beautiful connection of nature, the food that we get in these particular seasons, and Ayurveda. Thanks for listening. I'll be coming up with more such interesting videos, so stay tuned. Questions and queries can be posted in the comment boxes below. Do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Google Plus and Pinterest me. Follow me on Twitter and Facebook. Till then, happy fall. Bye bye.